Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove your credit card details from Microsoft Edge. Let's get started. Open your Microsoft Edge browser. Click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click Passwords and Autofill, and then select Payment Methods. Here you will see all your saved credit or debit cards. Next to each saved card, click the three-dot icon and select Delete. That's it. You've successfully removed your credit card details from Microsoft Edge. This helps keep your personal data safe and private. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.